Welcome back to the channel. I got many positive reviews from my latest video, and I decided to share a vegetarian version of this. The concept is the same, but there are a few more steps to this dish. There are two parts to this recipe. The cold ingredients are eggs, ricotta, and feta cheese, and the other ingredients are yellow onion, garlic, and spinach. I'm going to start with frying the onion, garlic, and spinach. While this is cooking, you can prepare the cold ingredients. This will allow the hot ingredients to cool slightly, as they are going to be mixed later. Start with frying some onion and garlic in extra virgin olive oil. Once translucent, add the spinach. At first, it seems like a whole lot of greens, but the spinach will shrink significantly. To speed up the cooking process, use a lid. In this recipe, I used 4 handfuls of spinach. Once the spinach has reduced in volume, add a healthy pinch of salt and black pepper to your preference. Set this pan aside and let it cool. In a bowl, add 2 eggs and whisk them together. Add 1 cup of ricotta, 1 cup of feta cheese, and mix it all together. Season it with black pepper. Mix the sautéed spinach with the ricotta mixture. Now it's time to assemble the first layer. Add some extra virgin olive oil to the pan so the phyllo dough does not stick. I use a wide baking pan because it's easier to make a larger batch. As a base, add 2 sheets of phyllo dough. Spread a healthy amount onto the first layer. If you buy frozen phyllo dough, I recommend taking it out of the freezer ahead of time. Add olive oil on top before adding a second sheet of phyllo dough. Repeat this until all the mixture is used. For the last and top layer, I used 2 pastry sheets to make a nice crust. This can now rest in the fridge, or you can bake it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 30 minutes. And there you have it. Spanakopita with a spinach filling. Enjoy! If you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more recipes.